Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix sound problem on ViX app. To fix this sound problem, you should go directly open the settings of your mobile phone. Click next on apps option and search for ViX. Click on ViX like this and you will see this list. Scroll it down and click storage option. Click clear cache right now and you should back. Click on force stop here, click OK. Go right now to Play Store or App Store and update ViX. Restart here your device and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another video.